From the beach, and now I'm on my way to Getsemani, which is a small town there, Cartagena. The beach was nice, but it was hot, and it took a while to get there and a while to get back. So I took a shower, and this is my fit. Very cute, very pink, and it fits the ambiance of this place. So let's go to Getsemani and check out all the culture and whatever else that they have there, and hopefully get a bite to eat. Alright, so right now I'm gonna try and see if I can keep up with the night, go out dancing. Again, I'm meeting the girls that I met on the plane, and we're about to just head out to some different bars, go get some food. And you know, I'm about to show these Colombians how I get down. Let's go. New adventures, buenos dias. So the next time y'all see me right now, you know, I just got out the shower, just washed my face, all that good stuff, put some oil on. Next time you see me, I'll be in my bag. Just watch. Just watch. Yes. You see me. Okay, enough of that. So now that I'm dressed and ready, I'm about to head out. It is really cloudy today, but I mean, the lighting's still on point, so I'm just gonna go with it. I'm gonna go with the flow, and I'm gonna head to Alma to eat because I haven't ate yet, and that's all I have for the afternoon. So, you know, come along with me. You know the vibes. You're about to see everything inside Cartagena. Okay, so I'm sitting outside, and this restaurant is so beautiful. Top-notch beautiful. The drink, delicious. Just fresh. But it's so gloomy. I tried to take photos, but they're turning out like really dark because of like, it's so cloudy out. Let me see if you can see. I don't know if you can see, but it's really cloudy. But the view is so cute. Look at this. The vibes are here. The sun just isn't here. That's the problem. So, I'm just gonna enjoy this food and enjoy this alone time. right now it is 5:35, so it's a little bit later in the day, but I came back after I went to Alma and just chilled out, took a little nap, recorded a little reel or two, and now it's time to go to Cafe Del Mar, which is this really popular restaurant out here that has the best sunset views. The sunset's in an hour, so I think it's prime time to go. I have on the chill fit. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? Ooh. Oh my gosh! Yeah, so I'll see you guys at the restaurant. So I feel like I'm getting a chance to like talk to you guys later in the day. Right now it's around like 3, I think, or 4. It's a little bit later, but this morning I woke up early and I just got some videos done. I took photos, went in the pool downstairs, and then after that I just walked around, went to Getsemani one more time just to get something to eat, which I might go back tomorrow because it was so nice and the food was really good and it was cheap. And now I'm just still in the fit. And I'm about to go meet the girls again and we're just gonna walk around town a little bit. I think that they're almost here. And I'm probably gonna get some ice cream and some more comida because I'm hungry. Not really, but I could always use some more food. So that's it, yeah. So that's pretty much all there is to it today. It's pretty much just a go with the flow, chill type of day. I didn't have really much planned. I just kind of wanted to spend a day trying to cut down all the photos and stuff that I have. But yeah, I'll insert a clip of this morning's activities and Getsemani and the comida and everything. So enjoy. Right now I'm just about to go to sleep. I'm tired, so good night, and I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Be ready for the bikini pics, because not even bikini, I have on a one piece tomorrow. Be ready for the one piece pics. Be ready for them. I'm excited. But yes, buenas noches, and I'll see y'all in the morning. Okay, so I know I look crazy, but right now I am at the docks. I just got here and I'm about to get on the boat to head to Blue Apple Beach Club, and it is so hot, so I'm so glad that I waited till Monday to be able to go. I don't know how long the boat ride is, but I know I forgot to take Dramamine. So I'm literally, I need to say a prayer and hope that I do not get motion sickness or whatever. Y'all, bear with me. can find my shoes. It's time to leave this beach. Okay, so I'm back at the hostel. Honestly, Apple Beach Club was probably one of the best places I could have went, and I can't wait to come back to Cartagena just so I can stay there for a few nights, because top notch, Babs, top notch. It was truly beautiful and truly amazing. Sorry if my face is really close to the camera. Someone's playing music really loud, and I just don't want like you guys to be able to hear that and not me. But yeah, I honestly didn't want to record too much. I really wasn't in the mood. Someone I know passed. It was kind of a hard day, but I still tried to stay present, live in the moment, and just thank God for me being alive, and for my friend who's still alive, and for my family being safe and healthy and alive. So, you know, that's pretty much it. I'm still pretty emotional about it, but can't really think about it. I'll worry about that when I get home, which will be tomorrow. So yeah. Tonight I met somebody here, and we're gonna go out to dinner, and that will be pretty much the end of this night, and then tomorrow it's going to be time to leave. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I am officially checking out of Casa Numbida. It's been great, but it's time to go home. I miss my family, and there's a lot going on back at home. I just kind of want to be there. So ultimately, this day has been absolutely amazing. I'm so thankful for it. I love this place and how cute it is with the last looks. And now it's time to go. So adios, and thank you for being on this journey with me. And I'll see y'all the next place I go. I promise. My tripod is in the sand while the water's coming up pretty high.